What are chicken strips? Is this some kind of foul burlesque? Some kind of peep show? What part of the chicken do the strips come from anyway? I'm confused. Leg, thigh, breast, wing? These are the parts I recognize. Strips? There are no stinking strips on a chicken. Chicken strips is a merchandising spin. The industry got together and said, what can we do with the rest of the chicken that we can't sell? I know. Let's compress them together and call them bunches. No, make that strips. Yeah, strips sounds right. And so it was good. Chicken strips. Come get your chicken strips. Regular, spicy, and hella hot. Thus, a new food product was born. Did you know at one time chicken wings were thrown away? Well, Wingstop found a solution for that waste of bony, fatty, gelatinous nothing. Fry 'em with your choice of sauce. You're ahead of me now. Regular, spicy, and hella hot. And don't get me going about the Chinese and their ever-popular chicken feet. Maybe this gelatinous treat would be better if served with sauces like spicy and hella hot. Well, I guess I'll never know. So I'll chicken out and have a nice steak instead.